Hello kids! Today we'll make a photo frame. What you will need for the photo frame? You will need 8 colorful popsicle sticks, some decorations, UHU glue, some rope and a scissor. So let's start making the photo frame. I will take 2 blue popsicle sticks, 2 green, 2 orange and 2 yellow. So now let's start. I will take 2 of my sticks, put them like this. Other 2 sticks and put them like this. Now I will take one of my other sticks, put glue on it. Like this. Now I will take the same colored stick, take glue, put the glue on the stick on both of sides and now put it like this. Now wait for it to dry. Now take the other colored sticks, this should be the same color. Put glue on it. Now take it and put it like you put the orange stick. Okay, now let it dry and then take the other stick, put glue on it. And now do this like the other stick you did and let it dry. Okay, now take your rope, flip your frame, take your glue, put the glue over here in the middle of the sticks like this and like this. Now take your rope, cut it, I'll take this much rope, this much. Now put it right over here, take the other end of the rope and put it like this. Now keep it so that it can dry. When it was dried, I made a knot so that now I can hang it on the wall. Now, you can decorate it as you want, but I will decorate it like this. So, I'll take 2 flowers. Now, I'll take this and then I'll put it like this and then paste it over here. And then I'll take the other one, put glue on it and now paste it on the other. And now your photo frame is done. Now you can paste your photo or you can paste your favorite character's photo on this and then you can hang it on the wall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like our channel.
How do we make photo frames? Hello. Hello. Hello, friends. and beautiful. This is one. This is one.
Hello friends, today we will make photo friends.
Hello, we're gonna make photo friends.
Hello, we will make the photo friends. Hello, we're gonna make photo friends.
Hello friends. Today we're making photo frame. Hello friends. Hello friends. Hello friends. We're making the photo frame. I like it. Wow, it's amazing. I will put my photo on it. Put my photo on it. We were making photo frame.